Hello and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. You're watching Salar Newsprint and let's look at updates that are making the headlines today. Israel's Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has said that the war against Hamas will continue even if the temporary ceasefire is reached with the Hamas. Israel has vowed to continue the war until it destroys the military capabilities of the Hamas and releases all the hostages. This comes after the Israeli cabinet voted for a Qatari-mediated ceasefire that would halt Israel's strike in Gaza for several days in exchange for the release of about 50 of the 240 hostages held by the Hamas. After diplomatic tensions flared up between India and Canada, India reportedly resumed electronic visa services for Canadian citizens after a nearly 2-month halt on Wednesday. In September, the Indian mission in Canada temporarily suspended visa services indefinitely due to the operational reasons, as indicated by the BLS International. However, on October 25, New Delhi announced the resumption of the visa issuance under 4 specific categories. Tensions between the two countries flared up in September after Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau's accusations of the potential involvement of the Indian agents in the killing of Khalistani extremist Hardeep Singh Nijjar on June 18 in British Columbia. India had previously designated Nijjar as a terrorist in 2020. The Supreme Court cautioned Patanjali Ayurved, co-founded by the yoga guru Ramdev, against publishing misleading claims and advertisements regarding the curative properties of its products. The court indicated a potential of rupees 1 crore fine per product for false claims about curing specific ailments. This warning follows a notice issued to Patanjali by the court in response to the allegations from the Indian Medical Association of a smear campaign against vaccinations and modern medicines. The bench emphasized the need to address misleading medical advertisements and scheduled a hearing for the IMA's plea on February 5. On Wednesday morning in Visakhapatnam, a collision between an auto rickshaw and a lorry resulted in injuries to 8 school children. The entire incident near Sangam Sarat Theatre was recorded on a nearby security camera. The accident occurred as the children were on their way to Bethany School. Hospital authorities have reported that the 2 individuals are in critical condition. Karthik, accused of 83 thefts in Bengaluru, has a history of escaping custody, earning him the moniker Escape Karthik. Despite previous arrests, he continued his criminal activities, targeting empty houses and eluding authorities. The police are determined to bring him to the justice for his extensive criminal record. In a tragic turn of events, a Bengaluru man, Manjunath, was arrested for allegedly killing 21-year-old David, who was in relationship with Manjunath's daughter. After learning about the relationship, Manjunath warned his daughter to end it. However, David persisted and resorted to threats. Frustrated, Manjunath confronted David, leading to a fatal fight near Suvarna garden, resulting in David's death. In a focused effort, Bengaluru police have registered 994 cases against private vehicles for violating government norms and a Karnataka High Court order by carrying more school children than allowed. The crackdown revealed that vehicles were carrying 50 to 60% more children than the prescribed capacity. Of the 2050 vehicles checked, buses, auto rickshaws, omnivans and other vehicles were booked. This enforcement aims to ensure child safety and adherence to the seating capacities outlined by the regulations and Supreme Court guidelines. Traffic divisions across Bengaluru actively participated in this initiative. Squadron Infra and Mining, a Bengaluru-based startup specializing in aerial intelligence for mining and infrastructure, has mobilized a team of skilled experts and cutting-edge drones to aid in the rescue of 41 workers trapped in a tunnel in Uttarakashi since November 12. The advanced drones, adept at navigating tunnels, will play a crucial role in mapping the area and assessing the conditions for a safe and effective rescue operation. OpenAI has reached a resolution reinstating Sam Altman as CEO shortly after his removal. The company has also agreed to restructure its board of directors, whom dismissed Altman. Brett Taylor, former co-CEO of Salesforce, is now the chair, and Larry Summers, former US Treasury Secretary, joins the board. Previously, over 500 employees, constituting about 65% of the workforce, had threatened to resign and join Microsoft if Altman wasn't reinstated. Altman said in a post on X that he is looking forward to returning to OpenAI. To all the IPL fans, on Wednesday, Gautam Gambhir was appointed as the mentor for the Kolkata Knight Riders, an IPL team owned by Shah Rukh Khan. Gambhir, who led the team to victory in 2012 and 2014, served as captain from 2011 to 2017. After a stint with the Lucknow Super Giants as their mentor for the past 2 seasons, he is returning to KKR. Venki Mysore, the CEO of KKR, mentioned that Gambhir will collaborate with head coach Chandrakant Pandit. Well, that's it for today. For more latest news and updates, you know what to do. Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.